With this data set, I will be conducting a dependent sample t-test. This data was collected based on a trial that was conducted on a maze, and the participants were asked to complete the maze with and without ascent. They were asked 2 times to do similarly difficult mazes, and so with this, they created this data set, and we are going to conduct the test. These variables were, the independent variable is the no-cent or the cent, and the dependent variable is the task time. To conduct this test, you go to Analyze, Compare Means, Paired Sample t-test, and what you simply do is select one of your measures and then select the other, and it will line up. First one is without the cent and the second one is with the cent. You simply press OK and your data shows up. And first you look here and you can see that the mean time for without the cent was not that much different from with the cent, just based on how you see that. The standard deviation, however, is a little bit different. The task time had a higher standard deviation with the cent than without. And next we can go to the correlation window in our output, and this does not tell us anything about our paired sample test, but it can tell you if you're looking for a correlation. The task time is very similar and it's significant on a 0.05 value or significance level. But again, this is just correlation. This is not what we're truly looking for. To find that, you look at this box in the output, the paired sample test. It will tell you a lot of different things. First, we can look at the mean difference. It says paired differences and the mean difference between the 2 task time trials with and without the cent. It will tell us our standard deviation, our standard error mean, and our 95% confidence interval of the difference, which shows us our upper and lower bound on the difference between the 2 pairs. But really, to analyze your data, you want this right-hand side. Our t-value, the t-test that we're conducting, is 0.137. The degrees of freedom, we have a value of 20, but really we look at the significance value, which is our p-value. And to have a significant test, you would say that the p-value is less than 0.05, but here it is not. If it were less than 0.05, we would reject the null hypothesis. And what that means is we would reject that the 2 times would be the same or are so similar. But here, since it is 0.892, that makes it larger than the 0.05 value. So it is not significant, meaning that we do not reject the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is true. These 2 task times are not significantly different, meaning that cent does not affect the way you complete a maze, at least on the basis of this test. That is how you conduct a paired sample test, or otherwise known as a dependent t-test, in SPSS.